Hello, me from the ether. I am here at Lane Bryant picking up an order of leggings that I bought. I'm trying on some clothes to get a 50% off, and this top does not work. I'm a bat or a moth or something. What? Like, I don't... Who does this style appeal to? Please let me know, because it doesn't appeal to me. I love the colors, but I hate the style. You okay? What? What, you want to do something? You want to go to Walmart? Target? We could go to Sears. Actually, I think they're closed. I'm just teasing. My mom being silly with her stuffed dog.
Aww. My mom is a goofball. He's taking pictures of an Amiga whatever. But we're walking today outside. It's pretty. And I need the exercise.
Hello, hello. It is in the middle of the week. It is Wednesday, May 5th, and I am... Actually, it's the middle of the day, too. I just am finished eating my lunch, and I've been watching YouTube, and I felt like recording a video. Sorry, I just got distracted by a fire engine. Not much is going on. I wanted to listen to Gideon in the Ninth during my lunchtime, but I don't know. My attention span, I guess, was not there, so I've gone and watched Jakara's transformations, or a bodybuilder reacts to such and such video. I keep saying I'm sorry. I just am painfully aware that I have not posted a video in some time, and I have not filmed a video in some time, so I am filming a video. And I have 10 more minutes of my lunch break. So yes, thinking about it now, it's probably a good thing that I changed my username to Just Peachy instead of something that is strictly reading and books related, because I didn't want to confine myself to that little box. And instead I wanted to leave my space open for reading and books and art and daily life and weight loss. I'm trying to lose weight. I've been going to the gym a lot. And yeah, Just Peachy, that's me. I don't know where this video is going, but it's going somewhere. Bye! Hello once more. It is I, Jessie. It is 5:13 the same day, and I'm heading home. But first I've got to stop off at the grocery store because I have been charged with getting dinner as well as some other supplies for my dad, because my dad is actually sick right now. And yeah, he's asked for some stuff, and I'm like, you focus on getting better and keeping your strength up, and I will focus on retrieving what you need. So yes, that's what we're doing. My mom and I are gonna share a gluten-free pizza from somewhere, and my dad's asked for some chicken. Goody, I get to talk to the butcher again. I just had to ask, like, hey, can I get a piece of chicken breast? Thank you. Hopefully they don't only have organic, that would suck arse. But yes, that's where we're at. And I'm gonna
shut you off because I want to listen to Gideon in the night. So there. Bye for now. I had to go to 2 separate stores because the store that I'm currently going to doesn't have the gluten-free pizza that my mom likes. Hello, dog. And I trust a pizza to survive being in the car more than I trust raw chicken. So, okay, so I am now officially done shopping. I am on my way home now as soon as I exit this parking lot. And before you ask, I personally don't abide by a gluten-free diet because I don't have a problem with gluten, but my mother actually cannot tolerate gluten, or at least heavy amounts of it. Like, she can't eat pasta. She can't eat like cakes normally, or a big slice of cake or stuff, or bagels and cream cheese, and she doesn't eat too many sandwiches, and if she does, she uses gluten-free bread. So yeah, that's why I try to get the gluten-free pizzas when I can, especially when we're sharing. It doesn't help that my mom does occasionally treat herself, and especially when there are temptations like the lemon cookies that I just got too, because I think they're on special, or at least they were specially displayed. So yeah, that's that. Oh my god. But yeah, that's the story about the gluten-free stuff. If anyone cared, not like anyone will, who really watches my YouTube channel other than myself. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna go. Very beautiful. Strawberries growing. See? They're not ripe, obviously, but I think that's pretty cool. And there's some more flowers. More strawberries coming up. Mom, wave hi. Wave. It's a video.
Oh, hi. Sorry.
We're kayaking and I'm not really good. I'm trying not to drop my phone in the water. Hello, Mr. Turtle. Oh, I am not moving. That's because my oar hit the branch. But I got to see Mr. Turtle through the lens of the camera, which is all I ever wanted. There's Turtle. Hi, Mr. Turtle. Or Miss Turtle. Look at that pretty turtle. We're at the end of the lake.
Hold on, let me photobomb.
Video bomb, not video.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Mama.
Photobomb.
Woo! We have gone so far. Except now we gotta go back. That's what I'm not looking forward to. Look at all the turtles. More turtles. More turtles. Oh, y'all are so cute. I love turtles so much. I'm gonna put my phone away so I don't drop it into the water. I hate to tell you folks, but besides the kayaking, my life is pretty mundane and boring. And what we are currently doing right now is watching Grey's Anatomy. We have been home for quite a long time. We cooled off, had a snack, my mom cut my hair, and we got the kayaks under the house again. So, good day. Good day.